Alright guys, we have booted into the recovery of OnePlus 60. So what we're going to do now is, if you are on another ROM that is not stock ROM, please flash stock ROM on both the slots A and B. If you're on stock ROM already, continue from those following steps. Click on install, select the PiXeN ROM file and select the TWRP file and flash. So as soon as the flashing is done, you will have to wipe your data, because that is a requirement, since there is a difference between the stock's security version and the custom ROM security version. So we'll wait for the install to complete. As you can see, the installation is now complete. So we are going to now wipe our data, that is format data, and what we're going to do, this is done so that you don't have any problem due to the encryption difference between the security patch of the stock version and the custom ROM. So now we're going to reboot the system. After this, if your phone goes into this boot animation, you've successfully flashed the PiXeN ROM for OnePlus 60. Now I will set up the ROM and meet you guys for a review. Hey guys, today we are going to have a look at the PiXeN-OS Rom. As you can see, the ROM is using Pixel Launcher as its default launcher and has everything working just like Pixel Experience ROM. The ROM is a bit slower when compared to Pixel Experience ROM, but that is because it has all the personalization features of Nitrogen OS. So the ROM feels and looks exactly like Pixel Experience ROM, but allows you extra features like Nitrogen OS Rom. As you can see, there's a dedicated gaming mode, there are lock screen customization options, and you can literally customize everything. It also supports DC dimming, and the alert slider works. There are no major bugs on this ROM, but it does heat up while gaming. As you can see, you're allowed to also have a custom fingerprint sensor on this ROM. All in all, this is a pretty cool ROM and offers a great level of customization while keeping the experience clean, just like Pixel Experience. So if you want a Pixel Experience ROM which offers you some level of customization, I would suggest to go for this ROM, as it is a pretty cool ROM and can be used. But if you're looking for gaming, this might not be the ROM for you. That's all for this review. Have a nice day and stay tuned for more. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.